If you're an Igbo parent or you're still training your children in secondary school, please listen carefully. Make sure your children take their math lessons seriously and make sure they sit for it in their WAEC. You get why? 2 days ago, JAMB came out to tell us that mathematics is no longer a compulsory subject for gaining admission into most courses in higher institutions across Nigeria. And Nigerians are pretending as if nothing is happening. This means, as an art student, you no longer need to write maths again in WAEC, as it is as useless as chemistry and physics to you. That's what our Nigerian educators are now telling. As an Igbo parent, please don't fall for the trick. It will surely boomerang tomorrow. I know what I'm telling you. Meanwhile, if your kids do not know how to solve mathematics very well, or they are finding it difficult to solve maths, bring them into my academy. Let us ground them very well. Yes. Do you know that many students that studied arts have switched to sciences? I know many lawyers, journalists, and English graduates that ran abroad and are now in computer programs, software engineering, project managers, AI gurus, etc. What actually helped them was the knowledge of mathematics. Please don't ever, I reiterate, don't ever limit the potentials of your children, because the Nigerian government keeps on lowering standards to accommodate failure and ineptitude. Yes, tomorrow your child will face difficult situations on the side that requires competence and hard work. If we water down our essence now, it will surely boomerang. Trust me. Listen to me, math is life. Math is life. It is the foundation of education and critical thinking. Even you as a businessman, if you can't add and subtract and balance your account, how will you make profits? Your staffs will steal from you and chase you out of business. Mathematics is not just to pass JAMB. Every technological invention has a root of mathematics. That's why Oyibo will always triumph over the blacks, because many blacks are myopic, especially African leaders. Yes, our universe is continuously evolving, and only the knowledge of math and science helps us understand the dynamics of our ever-changing world. AI, algorithm, super data, invisible systems run our lives now. Math and logical reasoning aren't optional. They are survival skills. So JAMB dropping maths for art cases isn't just disappointing. We are telling a generation they can opt out of the very thinking the future demands. Odiegu, Nigerian youths, your leaders don't rate you now. They know they see you now. They want to make una itiboribo and itim patakas. Don't ever limit yourself because Nigerian government wants you to. Tomorrow, better opportunities might call from overseas, and maths will be your saving grace. So this is me appealing to our Igbo daddies and mommies and other Nigerians with sense. Don't ever jettison maths from the lives of your children unless you want them to be itiboribo. See, I believe in self-determination. No? Southeast and South states have the right to fix their own academic standard, education system, curriculum, cut-off marks, etc. We shouldn't run into fire because others are running into fire. Education defines society, and mathematics is the foundation. Thank you. Don't forget, if your children do not know how to speak Igbo or solve mathematics properly, bring them into my academy. If you're seeking for proof of funds assistance, come, I'm going to help you. If you want to learn how to create content and edit videos, I am also here for you. We have lands available for sale across Igbo regions. Send me a DM. And if you also want to travel for your work visa and student visa, I am also available. See you in my DM. Bye.